Hello, this tutorial will walk you through completing the Declaration Change of Major, Minor, or Concentration form. It is imperative that this document is completed in its entirety. Failure to complete this document in its entirety will result in a delay of processing the information. Student information: last name, first name, middle name, your signature, 820 number, your address, permanent address, and/or your local address, telephone number, and your NCCU email address. Indicate by circling what term we're currently in and the last two digits of the current academic year. Circle your classification: freshman, sophomore, junior, senior, or graduate. Indicate your major: Criminal Justice Department. Our college is the College of Behavioral and Social Sciences. Depending on the directive you've received from your advisor, will determine which box you will complete. If you have been notified that you currently do not have a concentration, you need to complete the first box, Declaration of Major, Minor, or Concentration. You are going from undeclared to declaring your concentration. Your concentration indicated here will be either corrections, Homeland Security, juvenile justice, or law enforcement. If you have been informed that you are a criminal justice online student, however, it's not reflected and you need to change your major, you will complete the bottom. And you are changing your major from criminal justice to criminal justice online. If you have been informed that you have not declared a concentration and you need to change your major to criminal justice online, you would first complete this top box to declare your concentration, and then you would complete the second box to go from criminal justice to criminal justice online. If you are adding second major, minors, or concentrations, you would complete that third box. Again, if you have been notified that you need to complete the online classification and to declare a concentration, you declare your concentration in the first box. You change your major from criminal justice to criminal justice online in the second box. If you are changing your concentration, you would also change your concentration from your current concentration to your preferred concentration. Advisor information will be listed below in the signature. Please save this document and email it back to your advisor. Again, you will need to complete this document in its entirety, sign it, save it, and email it back to your advisor. If you have any questions, concerns, or need additional clarification, please do not hesitate to contact your advisor.